for Wellick or create for his team. Concepcion. Miss. Ojula. Linganay. Aatake. Mintes. Salado. Santos. Hinarap na ni Vic Manuel. Kick out. Aryar. Open. Big shot!
Tabla na tayo ngayon!
Here as the crowd celebrate that shot, coach. Hindi lang yung mga viewers dito sa loob ng ating Coliseum. I'm sure, pati na rin si Atrium. Tuwang-tuwa sila dito. Dikit na naman.
Nagsisigawan na rin yan sa labas.
Under a minute or under 2 minutes as Bulanadi. Substitution dito, nako.
Last 2 minutes, pinapasok yung ano. Pag-basket.
1 minute and 24 seconds.
Pataas lang.
1 and 24. 2-point lead for Valientes. Salado magtitimon against Cadiz. Salado. Aryar. Concepcion. 5 to shoot. Concepcion fires. Bam! 1-point lead for Alicia. Timeout remaining. Dalawa pa. Kontra sa isa. Tolomia. Floater. Rebound Aryar. Salado. Tatakbo. In transition. That's a foul on Denver Cadiz.
That was actually a good foul, no? Para walang easy basket coming dito sa Alicia Wellick. And they're not yet in the penalty situation as well, eh. Tapos yung foul niyon parang hindi naman siya act of shooting, so hindi pa siya pupunta sa free throw line. So that was a good foul. A really step up play coming dito kay Raton de Coco.
Oo. Ito nga, 46.5 seconds. Coach Chilito Caro napatawag ng timeout. Lamang sila ng isang puntos, coach. If you are Coach Chilito Caro ngayon, ano ba yung ito-drawing mo sa drawing board mo?
I-make sure na makuha muna nila yung bola and try to protect that ball. Kasi alam natin, when they get that ball, aagawin at aagawin yan netong Zamboanga Balyenes. They're not gonna take a foul here. Malayo pa yan, 46 seconds pa yan. Kailangan lang nila dito, one good stop. Kasi isang magandang offense. Ayan na, si DeMoses, sinabi na yan na doon sa bench, oy, tama na, game na.
Tinaboy naman ni Escobedo tsaka
tinakpan pa.
sa Tolentino. Tinakpan pa ng toalya, eh, no? 46.5.
One for Alicia. Timeouts, one for Valientes, one for Alicia.
Isa-isa na lang yung timeout for both squad, ha?
Clarify, yeah.
Nick DeMoses dito nanggugulo, eh, no? Nanggugulo.
Oo, sinisilip-silip pa niya yung ano daw gagawin na. Ito na, tingnan natin.
Baseline inbound. Salado. 1-point lead for Wellick. They go to Concepcion. Santos against DeMoses. Out of bounds.
There's the challenge. Okay. Challenge. According to
Mandatory, under 2 minutes man.
So ito nga, 41.7 seconds, coach. 1-point lead for Alicia ex-Wellick. And well, they're having reviews here. Shout out natin itong ating mga viewers, Coach Kim, no? Manood muna tayo ng mga live comments here. Kay Levi Jane Escobido, shout out sa inyo. And Francis Rosales, go Wellick for the win. And sino pa ba yung mga nanonood sa atin dito? Happy watching po sa inyo. Oh, Risa Diaz watching us right now. Demosis and Concepcion daw. Renorsian boys. Hi, Ma'am Diaz. Hi, Ma'am Riza. Happy watching. Ito, tignan natin ulit sa ating replay on top right after the review.
Alright, after the review, the ball possession will go through Alicia.
Ayun nga. So, wala yung coaches challenge, ha?
Wala.
Mandatory review yun kasi under 2
Yeah.
minutes tayo, Coach Kim.
Everyone is everything is invited para sa review sa after.
Pero napansin kaya ng Alicia Wellick na they only have 6 seconds to shoot. Yes, napansin niya yun ni Concepcion. Pero, umerbol. At na-last touch pa yun ni Ojula. So ngayon, eto na naman ng ating Zamboanga Valientes. May pag-asa sila to take the lead here.
Oo, yung dalawang coaches natin, no, lumalapit. Ngayon, si Coach Torno dito, sabi niya, if Valientes takes the shot, timeout automatic. 30 seconds left. 1-on-1, tao-tao. Cadiz, drops it, Malik Yu. That's a foul on Emmanuel Ojula. 2 shots yan para sa Zamboanga Valientes.
Ninyo, yung ating Zamboanga Valientes dito, 3 personal fouls pa lang sila. Wala pa sila sa penalty.
Crucial free throws, pressure cooking. Malik Diouf. First one is good. Tie game. 86 all. Gabi yung mga cellphone ng mga vloggers natin dito. Oh. Nakataas na lahat. Paldo na naman. 86 all. 25.1. Malik Diouf. Miss. Gets his own miss.
Oh!
3-point play for Malik Diouf.
Napaganda pa yun!
Wise decision for Malik Diouf to miss that shot and get his own miss. Alam niya, siya na lahat ng nag-rebound on that free throw. Siya yung pinakamataas.
Planado pala yun.
Kita mo, yung mukha ni Malik Diouf doon, eh, no? 2-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. 26.3, 14 on the shot clock. Santos, aatake, Santos. That is a foul. And a foul to give yan
Oo,
para
okay pa
sa
rin.
Valientes.
Yan. Okay pa rin yun kasi wala pa sila sa free throw, sa penalty eh. Pero ito, tignan natin.
Yung oras parang di umandar, eh, no?
Oo, tignan nga muna natin.
Ito, may lal na naman tayo. Batiin na naman natin itong ating mga viewers dito. Shoutout daw kay Jagals coming from Jaime James Tarok Galorio. And sino pa? Kay Verhel Garoy. Shout out from Baluyan. So ano ba yung nangyari doon, Coach Kim?
Okay, so after the review na itong ating mga officials, no, after pag-inbound ng bola, hindi pala nag-start yung time.
Oo.
Di ba? So pag drive neto ni Joffrey Santos, nakakuha siya ng foul. Ang mangyayari ngayon is that foul never happened. Actually, magiging the play never happened. So ulit lang yung inbound, time is as is. Parang lang walang nangyari.
Oo.
Pero
So, no foul yun
Oo,
for...
hindi siya ika-count ng sa team foul or personal foul. And they are now explaining it to
Both coaches.
Yes. Wala namang may gusto sa nangyari. Mishap lang talaga eh.
Oo. So ito nga, Coach Chilito Caro and the head coach of Zamboanga Valientes. Shoutout again. Kanino pa ba? Shout out kay Buknoy de Vinagracia, Panalay ng Cebu daw, coming from Kenneth Gaviloria. And shout out kay Raymar Fernandez Baragona from Gingoog City. Shout out Alicia from Aizar Holbari Sahi. Back to our ball game. Ito, bandar na. Santos. One-on-one against the Moses. Double team. Ojula. That is a foul. That is a foul to give. So
Oo.
balik tayo sa oras dito. Yung shot clock natin magiging 14 ulit.
Oo, yes. Pero dato sa smart foul coming dito kay Ratante Coco, Hindi niya inintay na papunta na ng act of shooting or about to shoot na. Beautiful bang final niya na agad ito si Ojula.
Santos yung lalabas dito. Nakikipagpatintero. Salado to Santos. Shot clock at 10. Salado fires. Salado against a smaller defender. Santos. Shot clock at 5. Here comes the screen. Santos needs to fire. 4 seconds. Gives it to Aryar. Fades. Fires and scores! KD Aryar!
What a shot! Napakahirap ng tira niya ngayon. Coming from the mid-range master.
You know, on this ball game pa lang, or in this tournament, when we started the tournament, Coach, KD Aryar, nagmiminta siya sa mga tira niya sa labas eh. No, sa 4 na games nila dito sa ating tournament, ngayon lang natin nakita yung isang KD Aryar na ganito ka-confidence.
Oo, yung output niya talaga is you can see it as you can see on that turnaround jump shot over a Vic Manuel.
Oo.
Ganong kahirap yan. And the time dying down. Grabe yung focus ng taong ito. Yung mental toughness niya. Tingnan mo, pihit, pull up, fade away konti, pasok.
Wala na siyang ibang maisip dun no? Kundi let that ball release and take that shot, shoot. Grabe, KD Aryar. 2.6. Yung teammate, tuwang-tuwa. Tignan natin ulit. Wala pala, 2.6 seconds. 2.6.
Tingnan natin kanino pupunta itong Zamboanga Valientes for this final shot.
Inbound.
Nilabas nila si Raton de Coco para kay Bulanadi pala, no?
They want some height here. Saan sila pupunta? Tolomia fires. Too strong. And that's it. OT sa ating battle for third. Two and 18. Salado. Aryar fakes. Open for KD. Miss shot. Put back by Sherwin. Short pa rin.
Andyan
Third
pa rin
try.
yan.
Wala pa rin for Sherwin.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
88 to 95. 1 and 50. Manuel. Behind the back pass. 3 seconds violation.
Last touch, Cedillo. 1 minute and 40
That was a 3 seconds violation for Zamboanga Valientes. 1:44 sa ating oras. Santos denied right there. Pero ito, natanggap niya. Takbo si Ariar. Santos, Salado, open. Mintes, Ujula with a fake. Gets the 2-pointer. 95-90. Eton Di Coco, 1-on-1 against Ken Salado. Shot clock natin, pababa na sa 5. Malik Diouf, lets it fly. Too strong for Malik. Santos, stepping up his gas. In and out. Inside, Ojula.
Oh,
Sorry,
sorry,
miss.
mister! Dito kay Ojula, great find from Ken Salado sana yun.
And that's one is good for Malik Diouf. And a steal para sa Zamboanga Valientes, up by 7 points. Maybe this is safe to say for Zamboanga Valientes coach. Eton Di Coco. Malik Diouf. 99-90. Three-point shot for Wellick. But 29.3 seconds left. 6-point lead. Para sa Zamboanga Valientes that they found on Santos. 2 shots. Two shots though for Bulanadi. Let's acknowledge the presence of Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer right on our screen. And also El Presidente Ramon Fernandez at the venue. And Ma'am Carla Quintanar. So, no, nag-usap tayo. They play, when we played doon, no? Santos. Still not down here. That's a foul. And Zamboanga Valientes bench right now, coach, celebrating this lead of them.
Nagcha-chant na sila dun sa kanilang crowd sa bench. And of course, no, third place is still at third place, no? I mean, 300,000 pesos din yun.
Tumataginting.
Oo, and of course, the pride of still ending this tournament with a win. For that matter, di ba?
At the line, ito si Malik Diouf.
Bro, so okay pa rin tayo dun.
First one for Malik Diouf. 11.6 seconds. Ramdam na natin yung siksikan dito sa loob ng gym natin.
Oo
No?
nga.
Pinuksan ulit
Oo
yung
nga.
entrance. No more shot clock. Sherwin Concepcion. Miss shot. And I guess that's it for this battle for third. Zamboanga Valientes coach, right after that extended minutes. 3 puntos lang yung binigay nila sa koponan ng Alicia Wellick. And ito nga, while waiting for our best player. Antay lang tayo dito, no? And ready na pala si Sarah Thirdsman.
And we're here with our best player of the game from Zamboanga Valientes, Denver Cadiz. Denver, congratulations! And nag-overtime pa kayo. Talagang sinungkit nyo talaga yung panalo ngayong gabi. Anong nararamdaman mo as the best player of the game tonight?
Siyempre masaya no as a homegrown players ng Zamboanga. Ang binigyan ng opportunity ni boss kaya ano lang parang tinitake lang talaga yung opportunity para makapag-perform.